Hello there. Can you hear me now? Good. Good. Let's go for a ride. So I want to talk a little bit about, what this means for me. I'll be 23 on Thursday, and a couple of weeks ago I was at 322.4 pounds. Okay? That is almost twice the average male healthy weight. Twice. That's a lot. And it's a lot on my bones, it's a lot on my body. It's miserable. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in here on day 5. I can't believe it. I actually made it so far, 5 days, and I'm feeling great. Honestly, I've tried out a couple different recipes that I'll post up on the recipe section of the site. My energy level is great. I'm plugging the water to me. It's super important that every aspect of this you follow it. You can't pick and choose. So I want to do this today, or I want to do that today, and that's why it never works. That's why it's never worked. Never worked for me. That's all I did. All I could do was find, oh, that looks like a good diet plan. Well, I'm going to try that, but I might, I'm not going to do all of it. I'm just going to do some of it. What happens when you do some of it? Well, this. That's what happens when you do some of it. So, super important to keep plugging the water. Okay, I'm drinking about a gallon a day right now. At first, it was crazy. I could not imagine drinking a gallon of water a day. After a couple of days or so, you start to get used to it, and it actually becomes fairly easy. It's just simple. You actually feel thirsty for that water. So you're not like forcing yourself to drink it, which is good. And a gallon of water a day is really good for your body. It helps flush toxins. It helps clean out your system, and it keeps you running in optimum health. So on top of that, and plug in the fruits and veggies to you in a juice form or solid form, but I've been doing juice, like I said, because I'm on a 60-day juice fast. It's working great for me. So super cool. I've been cranking out episodes and trying to get the website and the vlog updated. There's a lot of cool content. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Daily Squeeze. It would mean the world to me if you would like, share, and subscribe to my vlogcast.